There's a free AI tool that most people have never heard of, and it's better than ChatGPT. I know that sounds crazy. ChatGPT has hundreds of millions of users. It's the most famous AI in the world. But this tool does things ChatGPT simply can't do. Things that actually matter for making money, building businesses, and getting real work done. And the best part? It's completely free. No premium subscription needed. Today, I'm going to show you what this AI is, why it's better than ChatGPT for specific tasks, and how you can start using it right now to get ahead. Let's dive in. The AI I'm talking about is Claude. Most people have never used it. Some have never even heard of it. And that's a massive mistake. Because while ChatGPT is great for general conversation, Claude is better at the things that actually create value, better at analysis, better at writing, better at reasoning, better at following complex instructions. Here's what makes Claude different. ChatGPT is optimized for being helpful and conversational. Claude is optimized for being accurate and thoughtful. ChatGPT gives you quick answers. Claude gives you deep answers. ChatGPT is like talking to a smart friend. Claude is like talking to a brilliant consultant. And for business, for creating content, for solving problems, that difference is everything. Let me break down the specific areas where Claude destroys ChatGPT. First, writing quality. Claude writes at a higher level. Its sentences flow better. Its structure is clearer. Its tone is more professional. If you're writing blog posts, articles, scripts, or any long-form content, Claude produces work that needs less editing. It understands nuance. It maintains consistency. It doesn't repeat itself. Second, analysis and reasoning. Claude is exceptional at breaking down complex topics. It can analyze documents, compare options, evaluate decisions, and give you thoughtful recommendations. Ask ChatGPT to analyze a business decision, and you'll get a surface-level answer. Ask Claude, and you'll get something you can actually use. Third, following instructions. This is huge. Claude is much better at understanding exactly what you want and delivering it. Give it a detailed prompt with multiple requirements, and it will nail every single one. ChatGPT often misses details or needs multiple attempts to get it right. Fourth, honesty about limitations. Claude admits when it doesn't know something. ChatGPT sometimes makes things up and presents them confidently. For business decisions, for research, for anything where accuracy matters, this is critical. Let me give you specific examples where Claude outperforms ChatGPT. Use case 1, content creation. If you're creating YouTube scripts, blog posts, newsletters, or any written content, Claude produces higher quality output. It understands storytelling. It maintains your voice. It creates content that feels human, not AI generated. Use case 2, business strategy. Ask Claude to help you think through a business problem. It will ask clarifying questions. It will consider multiple angles. It will give you a framework for making the decision. ChatGPT gives you answers. Claude helps you think. Use case 3, editing and improving text. Copy and paste your draft into Claude and ask it to improve it. The results are consistently better than ChatGPT. It catches subtle issues. It improves flow. It enhances clarity without changing your core message. Use case 4, research and summarization. Give Claude a long document or article and ask it to summarize the key points. It captures nuance that ChatGPT misses. It organizes information more logically. It highlights what actually matters. Use case 5, creative projects. Whether you're writing a story, developing a character, or brainstorming ideas, Claude is more creative and thoughtful. It doesn't just give you the obvious answer. It explores possibilities. Here's how to get the most out of Claude. First, be specific with your prompts. Claude responds incredibly well to detailed instructions. Don't just say, write a blog post about AI. Say, write a 1,500-word blog post about AI tools for small businesses, with 3 specific examples, actionable tips, and a conversational tone. The more detail you give, the better the output. Second, use it for multi-step tasks. Claude excels at complex workflows. You can give it a project with multiple phases, and it will work through each one methodically. For example, help me create a content strategy. First, analyze my audience. Then suggest 5 content themes. Then create an outline for each theme. Then write the first piece. Third, leverage its analysis skills. Don't just use Claude for creation. Use it for evaluation. Paste in your work and ask, what are the weaknesses in this argument? Or, how can I make this more persuasive? Fourth, iterate and refine. If the first output isn't perfect, tell Claude what to improve. It's excellent at taking feedback and making adjustments. Fifth, use it for thinking, not just answers. The best way to use Claude is as a thought partner. Explain your problem, share your ideas, and ask it to help you think through the options. So if Claude is better, why does everyone use ChatGPT? Simple. Brand recognition. ChatGPT was first. It went viral. Everyone knows about it. It's the default choice. But being first doesn't mean being best. Most people never explore alternatives. They assume ChatGPT is the only option or the best option. They're wrong. Claude is quieter. It doesn't have the same hype. But for people who actually use AI for work, for business, for creating value, Claude is often the superior choice. Let me be honest about where Claude isn't better. ChatGPT has more integrations. It works with more tools and platforms. If you need an AI that connects to your workflow through plugins and extensions, ChatGPT has the advantage. ChatGPT is faster at simple tasks. For quick, straightforward questions, ChatGPT gives you answers instantly. Claude takes a bit more time because it thinks more carefully. ChatGPT has image generation through DALL-E. Claude doesn't generate images. If you need AI art, you'll need a different tool. But for writing, analysis, reasoning, and deep work, Claude wins. Getting started with Claude is incredibly simple. Go to Claude.ai. Create a free account. Start using it immediately. The free version is generous. You get plenty of usage without paying anything. Here's what to try first. Test 1. Ask it to analyze something. Give it a piece of content, a business problem, or a decision you're facing. Compare the response to what ChatGPT would give you. Test 2. Ask it to write something. Request a blog post, script, or article. Look at the quality, flow, and structure. Test 3. Give it complex instructions. Create a detailed prompt with multiple requirements. See how well it follows every detail. Within minutes, you'll see the difference. Here's why this matters beyond just having a better AI tool. Most people are using the same tools. They're all using ChatGPT. They're all getting similar outputs. They're all competing with the same AI-generated content. When you use Claude, you get different results, better results, more thoughtful results. Your content stands out. Your analysis is deeper. Your work is higher quality. This is a competitive advantage. While everyone else is using the obvious tool, you're using the better tool. And in a world where AI is becoming ubiquitous, using better AI means producing better work. Claude is improving rapidly. The team behind it, Anthropic, is focused on making AI that's helpful, harmless, and honest. They're not chasing hype. They're building quality. Recent updates have made Claude even better at reasoning, analysis, and following instructions. And it keeps getting better. As more people discover it, Claude will become the go-to AI for professionals, creators, and businesses who care about quality over speed. So that's the free AI tool that's better than ChatGPT. Claude. Not as famous, not as hyped, but for real work, it's superior. Better writing, better analysis, better reasoning, better at following instructions. If you're serious about using AI to create value, to build a business, to produce quality work, you need to try Claude. Go to Claude.ai, create an account, start using it today, and then compare it to ChatGPT. I guarantee you'll see the difference. If you want more videos about AI tools, productivity strategies, and staying ahead in the AI revolution, subscribe and hit the bell. Let's stay ahead together.